May I say something to you to give you a true knowledge of yourself and life, so that the same glory and success attained by other men who understand themselves may be yours? Man in the full knowledge of himself is a superb and supreme creature of creation. When man becomes possessor of the knowledge of himself, he becomes master of his environment, the captain of his own ship, the director of his own destiny, the accomplisher of his own ends. Man should understand himself because man is full of knowledge, and this knowledge is a gift of nature. When Mother Nature created man, she deprived him of nothing. He was given the faculty of understanding all things around him. This faculty for understanding has not been taken away from him. None of his senses have been taken away from him. So there is no excuse for the black man in lacking the knowledge that man is used to beautify the world and produce all that he needs for his happiness and civilization. Look the world over, and whatever you see in it that is pleasing to man, contributing to man's comfort, to his needs and to his satisfaction, it is but the work of man. Man blessed with the knowledge of himself and the understanding of all things around him. If you are able to live with the knowledge of yourself and with the greater knowledge of nature, you must know what is good and what is not. You must know what is finite. You must know that which is material, physical and otherwise is at your disposal to create or otherwise use. If we leave America and go over to the east of Japan, they will be telling their fellow citizens of Japan of the wonderful accomplishments of the Japanese people, proving that man is moving onward as time moves on. But you have hated yourselves as you have done in previous years. You have shown malice, prejudice and hate to each other, and the result is that while other races have made progress, while India has made progress towards nationalism, while Ireland has made progress towards republicanism, while the whole world has made progress in man's accomplishments, you still stand fighting yourselves, dishonoring yourselves, showing no disposition toward that higher life, so that you will be abundantly blessed.
During struggle time, they were not there for you, you know.
Si ta vie ne t'intéresse jamais aux gens,
Live your life.
Qui critiquent toujours, étant hypocrite et jaloux.
Jealousy.
Sans être honnête, même pas clair, sans les doux conseils. Leur problème est de juger les autres. Regarde plus autour de t'avancer vite ta vie.
Some are trend right, they've got visions. Some are cowards, pretend to love us. Every time we they affect sweet speeches, don't trust them, they act like bitches. Surrounded by false friends, fake people, beautiful like Delilah, them evil. Hard to know why them are with you. It's dangerous to hang out with them, you know. For a bit they want to help you to stand up. Get sick, they'll pray that you might die. Them they're waiting for your death. Only good friends waiting a quick recovery. What the fuck? What? So many false friends. The help us is not yet to the end. I do believe that you can change them. Bumbleclad, fake people, false friends, bumbleclad.
Si ta vie ne t'intéresse jamais aux gens,
Live your life.
Qui critiquent toujours, étant hypocrite et jaloux.
They are jealousy.
Sans être honnête, même
cause you shining. Yeah. Don't know who to trust, what can we do? To the betrayed Jesus, could be the same to you. Be careful, smile at you doesn't mean love you. Yeah, live your life.
Et ta vie ne t'intéresse jamais aux gens.
Live your life.
Qui critiquent toujours, étant hypocrite et jaloux.
Jealousy.
Sans être honnête, même pas clair, sans les doux conseils. Leur problème est de juger les autres. Regarde plus autour de t'avancer, vis ta vie.
One more time. Uyu musi girl singusiga. Uyu musi turajana girl singusiga. Uyu musi nije nawe. First sight was a Friday night. Downtown was with my friends, chilling, waiting the start of the party. I saw beauty in my eyes, sexy lady in a blue dress. She was so perfect, she made me smile. The way she was dancing on the floor, moving her body, going up and down. Then she looked at me and stopped. Didn't know how shy she was, but a strange thing happened. I left my place, going to her. I didn't find her. The beautiful girl has gone. Girl, singusiga. Uyu musi turajana. Girl, singusiga. Uyu musi nije nawe. Ubu singusiga turi kumwe, nakwiboneye ntahuja. Nari hebuye, nibaza ko ntazokubona. Ndagusavye intege abiri, muyagire nkubwire umpe kano kanya. Ntubwire akajambo mfise ku mutima. N'aie pas peur, approche-toi plus près. Pose ta main sur moi, mon corps brûle de feu. N'aie pas peur, approche-toi plus près. Pose ta main sur moi, mon corps brûle de feu. Girl, singusiga. Uyu musi turajana. Girl, singusiga. Uyu musi nije nawe. N'aie pas peur, approche-toi plus près. Pose ta main sur moi, mon corps brûle de feu. Girl,
Oh my baby girl,
singusiga.
singusiga. Oh yeah, turajana iwacu Bujumbura. Singusiga, abenaba. Uno musi je nawe. Nohera hengusize, nobuwande ndagusize inyuma. Ndakujana iwacu Bujumbura. C'est clair.
Party day, party day, party, party night, party night, party, party day, party day, party, party night, party night. Hey. Party, leo ni show.
Yeah, the burning fire.
Tutambe, umusi show. Jotu party, leo ni show.
Yeah.
Tutambe, umusi show.
Here we go. Yeah, yeah. Life no easy. Come on, enjoy. Everybody move your body beyond the floor. Take your problems, get up and dance. Tonight you got a party, come on and enjoy. Don't care about the jealous, whatever they say. They are not you, come on and enjoy. You get real strong, girl, come on and enjoy. Everybody, everybody, come on and enjoy. People around me, come on and enjoy. All those young girls, come on and enjoy. Sisters, brothers, come on and enjoy. Everybody, everybody, enjoy your life. L'ambiance de chez nous, tout le monde s'enjaille. Les femmes comme les hommes, tout le monde s'enjaille. Les frères comme les sœurs, tout le monde s'enjaille. Les petits et les grands, tout le monde s'enjaille.
Party, leo ni show. Tutambe, umusi show. Jotu party, leo ni show. Tutambe, umusi show. Unamusi nugutamba na usigari nyuma.
C'est clair.
Bagenzi namwe nshuti nimuze dusangira akanyamuneza. Jirushe bichi tucheze game. Siwe na hoga tiuna dem. Misos iko tayari ngutuyore. Vinywaji chongelea we mutore. We mutore. Let's enjoy life today.
We day upon wanna enjoy life. Come close together, let's enjoy life. Need to fight, let's enjoy life. Outside, yeah, man, let's see your life.
To party, leo ni show. Tutambe, umusi show. To party, leo ni show. Tutambe, umusi show.
Yeah. Today is a party, we got enjoy. Whatever you wanna do, we got enjoy. Whatever you wanna go, we got enjoy. Tell me what you want, gonna give you what I got. Yeah, beautiful people, beautiful music. Take it with your problems, gonna enjoy. Don't care about the jealous, they are just jealous. Today gonna drink, gonna eat, gonna dance, gonna move, gonna shout, gonna jam. Yeah, yakata sepele longo na mokolo lelo. Mokolo lelo ezali mokolo feti. Toko mele, toko liya, toko duna na biso.
Leo ni show. Tutambe, umusi show. Jotu party, leo ni show. Tutambe, umusi show. Jotu party, leo ni show. Tutambe, umusi show. Jotu party, leo ni show. Tutambe, umusi show.
Party.
Yeah. Intare roaring. Hey. Na na na. Hey. The world has become insecure zone. Non-stop violence on a ritual zone. Military soldier around the corner. People are afraid, moving free in hometown. Cities bombed, school closed, hospitals full. Innocent kids are being killed. Our dear modern sisters being raped. The whole country is traumatized. Some say if every day was a holiday, then tired of running away, nowhere to go, nowhere to sleep. People are starving, nothing to eat. Political strategy leads to misery. No food, no water to give to the population. They've just time to shoot on their people. Do more to the people than for the people. Racism is a dangerous crime. One rest up, they find it so fine. Rest in peace, Gomez Amahoro, Michael Brown. Without any reason, them shut you down. Break them shut Al-Shabaab, Boko Haram, ISIS, Al-Qaeda got guns. Who leads them? Who supports them? Babylon destroys, can build up schools. Newspaper talking about war. Soldiers are sent, I don't know why. I never heard where a bomb brought peace.
Never heard where a bomb brought peace.
Religious trouble cartel, you give your car. Preacher tells marry your wife by force. You can't say no, him wash your brain. Alone nobody will feel your pain. Feel your pain. The world is insecure. You've got girls but you don't sleep at night. In the darkness you see faces of innocent blood. No one is safe or down on earth. Yeah. You see the present, not the future. We live in an insecure world. True. When you wake up, just give thanks and praise to the Lord this time. If we get together, we can stop war, violence, racism. Yeah, you and I can make a difference. Let's get together. Yes. Marirori can make a change.
Mubuzima na marira, iby'isi na marira, yunaniwe na marira. Heya ihanaguya yo marira, imihari irahera, ubuzima buba bwiza. Oh, mubuzima na marira, iby'isi na marira, yunaniwe na marira. Heya ihanaguya yo marira, imihari irahera, ubuzima buba bwiza.
Wanyaza ukomba amazi bagutwara mu byo utazi, uhaburira akazi ugeraho witwa impunzi. Fata ibarabara utazi niyo ritumbera, hitamwo kugenda atacizere co kuharokokera. Abansi bagutega imitego itagira ukwingana, ubisha butandukanye kugira wahukane. Aho bigeze ubu imbere yawe isirarura, nta kiguhumuriza, byose biri mu mwiza. Nshuti yanje ntugacike intege kubera ivyo, igirira icizere uhaguruke ukore. Bitebe bitebuke ico wasezeranywe kizoba, ikintu cose gifise igihe caco. Bobona yabivuze neza cane imbere yanje, ati kirangamisi cawe kirateguye. Ntiwaremewe amaganya ntubihebure, vy'ukuri mwana wa mama hanagura amarira.
Mubuzima na marira, iby'isi na marira, yunaniwe na marira. Heya ihanaguya yo marira, imihari irahera, ubuzima buba bwiza.
Imbere n'inyuma nta na hamwe hahita, uripfumbereje wugarijwe n'inzara n'inyota. Wabuzayo ucira nayo umiruga umutigita, zima ntibworoshe naho bamwe bavyibushe. Ntugakangwe ntibisayangana vy'abandi, ironderera utwawe uce mu nzira zawe, kuko niho huzuye imigisha sinkubesha. Hamwe hanse si umuhero w'isiraba handi, ntugategwe isoni n'utwo ukora muvandimwe. Fata isuku duzi kivi ejo ni heza, uzimbura nta kizobuza, uzokogorora ntuzobucinyegeza. Abakwiyamye benshi bazokwiyegereza, bazokwisemba kugira ubiteho. Menya icuri ntusome nturi, ewe burakeye va mu buriri. Juju Lex.
Ubuzima na marira, iby'isi na marira, yunaniwe na marira. Heya ihanaguya yo marira, imihari irahera, ubuzima buba bwiza.
saying says that the worst distance between two people is misunderstanding. So babe, don't worry, I'll be back. I don't want us to live in dark. I love you. I didn't want to go alone. I just wanted to stay with you. Baby, please dry your tears. Soon I'm back, soon I'm back. I didn't want to go alone. I just wanted to stay with you. Baby, please dry your tears. Soon I'm back, soon I'm back. You know better than anyone else that I love you, girl. I had to leave home for unbent feet. Sometimes feel sad, you call me the night. I can't respond, unable to chat. Always cry because of jet lag. Doesn't mean I don't think about you, girl. Me always remember about our bashment time. Life was going down, we're about to fall. Jah provided, Jah blessed us. Oh, I was jobless, but I'm on tour. Don't worry, baby, I'll be back, mon amour. You are my sunshine, my princess, my life, mother of my kids, my happiness. Please talk to me, girl. Don't hang up phone, girl, it's still there. I didn't want to go alone. I just wanted to stay with you. Baby, please dry your tears. Soon I'm back, soon I'm back. I didn't want to go alone. I just wanted to stay with you. Baby, please dry your tears. Soon I'm back, soon I'm back. When bus engine start, nostalgia comes into me. Breakfast time, you and I together on table talking about last night better. On the road going to work, and up the sky flying bird. You smile when your phone is off. Strange look when I forget kiss you. Evening home, surprises in control room. How was your day, baby? I missed your love. Chill together, playing little games, laughing, crying, in each other. Beautiful baby in your knock socks. Son, your mother and me father. I really love you, darling. I didn't want to go alone. I just wanted to stay with you. Baby, please dry your tears. Soon I'm back, soon I'm back. I didn't want to go alone. I just wanted to stay with you. Baby, please dry your tears. Soon I'm back, soon I'm back. I didn't want to go alone. I just wanted to stay with you. Baby, please dry your tears. Soon I'm back, soon I'm back. Midnight, no sleep, man. Sin. Everything is like always give, but nothing in return. Feel depressed. Don't be scared. Never get discouraged, cause Jah never make a mistake. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Oh
yeah. Jah never make a mistake.
Ask and wonder why why troubles get so high. Yesterday you were the grave cemetery, bury your son. Today the boss checks you, he doesn't need you no more. Home your wife left you, she can be with a poor woman. Your sister's pregnant, boyfriend ignorant. Him doesn't care about the little Jerry. She feels so much pain, cries to me every day to comfort. I sing a song in the garden. My cousin got married many years ago. Since that day she did ever get pregnant. She went to the doctor for a checkup. Cause she has a baby who died of miscarriage. That bad at home always fight against mom. Never think about to pay my tuition fees. When I see me coming, I love myself in my room. Looking through the window, hear a voice coming from there. Oh record a song to preach your love. Journalist refuses play it, he needs some money. Give him corruption, he's in charge of promotion. Gonna make you star in all directions. Always tell my baby peace about my case. When baby calls me and I don't pick up the phone, that I don't wanna talk to my girl. They don't know in which jungle the lion roaring. Face situation we've got to conquer. Never get despair, God is always there. Don't try to say he let you down. Remember that Jah never make. Oh strong like Sister Roy, Aurora, Brother AJ, Bowers, you know. Lil Man, Kime, Marjani. One dream, one love family. God has good plans for his people. Believe in Jah, cause him only can change everything from zero to hero, from nothing to something. Big up Juju Lex. Harry roaring. Harry roaring every day. In the heart. Yeah, we have to build up our continent. Build up Africa, build up Africa, build up Africa. Build up Africa, build up Africa, build up Africa. Build up Africa, build up Africa, build up Africa. Come on together, build up Africa, east to the west. North, south, south, let's get together and build. Africans, let's get together and build this continent. Everyday nation, destination, people live under pressure. Stop being this cause oppression. All have common selection. Build a place full of actions, where people share love's passion, where kids get education, taught love, not segregation. I am not tired of lazy saying, now it's time, start to build it. Bujumbura up to Alger, been a pleasure to see there. Don't look behind, yes sir. Keep on facing the front. Hurry. We all need to go together and work together. Don't say we are different religion or what. We are humans race. We have to work together, make it work.
Build up Africa, build up Africa, build up Africa. Build up Africa, build up Africa, build up Africa. Build up Africa, build up Africa, build up Africa. Come on together, build, build, build.
Build up Africa into the world. Don't set us out, let's get together and build. Africans, let's get together and build this continent.
Open up more factories, better have much industries than having tech ministries. That places make energy. Akon is doing it, make it your strategy. Truth possible, no magic. Try it, give them opportunity. Light up in darkness. Water has great importance. Give them all chance.
Yeah,
Feed hungry people.
to them.
Number one. Fight against disease now. Number right.
Yes, that's true.
We all have to come together and build this continent. Africans united, very strong. We can make it work. Everything is possible. Yes, we can make it work. As Bob Marley said, the people can make it. They come together and make it work. You know, African is our pride.
Build up Africa into the world. Don't set us out, let's get together and build. Africans, let's get together and build this continent.
Il faut enterrer tous les ennemis du peuple. Il faut enterrer tous les défauts qui empêchent le peuple de se libérer, qui empêchent le peuple de construire son bonheur. Le but n'est pas faux. Au contraire, il y a des ressources. En vous mettant au travail pour construire ces mêmes villas, en vous mettant à la tâche, vous avez décidé de vous prouver à vous-même que vous êtes capable de transformer la réalité de cette ville de Pau. En effet, vous pouvez la transformer, cette réalité.
Build up Africa, build up Africa, build up Africa. Build up Africa, build up Africa, build up Africa. Build up Africa, build up Africa, build up Africa. Come on together, build, build, build.
Yeah, man, in Harry Roaring, check it out. The biggest man you ever did see was at once a baby. In life on earth, the journey might be worse to regret. Yeah, when it's worse, make it work great. When it's great, always give thanks. Rastafari. Behind every man, in someone's life, there's a story. Behind every man, in someone's life, there's a story. Yes. Paper down the table, penny hand, write my verse. Could speak now, man, I have a stress. Situation's crazy, you know what it is. Doesn't mean me lazy, that it is. Since my childhood was not in a mood, was just busy thinking about to do good. Unfortunately, people got me wrong, kick me out, discriminalize me some. Much more trouble turned as a cycle. Life is struggle, full of obstacles. Just everywhere played like a don't table. Nobody love me, moments no compatible. Behind every man, in someone's life, there's a story. Behind every man, in someone's life, there's a story. Some at school hate me when I score a goal. All the time waiting, they'll see me fall. Was beaten by so-called friend. Babylon was the beginning, not the end. Mom always tell me to never give up, but their ads keep on moving forward. Even the people hate, just love them. Only love can transform them. Words of wise men kept me in a chain. Dude was 10, born strong in a brain. Life was hard at a point to get mad. Just was planned by the king, my God. Oh Lord, forgive me where I was wrong. Was not my fault to let them down. Them just thought it was unknown. Now everything survive, it makes us stronger. Don't drug yourself, don't spoil your life. Believe what you have, stay positive. Yes, your love protects I and I. Do what we've been guided by Most High. Life is full of surprises. Don't say it's nonsense. Hey, Alone Man, Clovis, Piquel, Bravo West, Crown over there. Every time when I'm in a need, you all tell the time for me. Indeed, much love, respect, I give thanks to those who care about others, those who know and feel importance of human's life on this great place. Behind every man